Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming admin rights and the server, username, and password. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN, and choose Add a VPN connection. Make sure you select Windows, built-in, so the OS handles protocols. Enter the server address and sign in info now. Doing this first speeds the rest of the process and ensures your connection parameters are consistent with the provider's instructions. Next, you configure the protocol and authentication because those choices control security and compatibility. Choose ICAV2 or SSDP when your provider recommends them, or leave VPN type on automatic to let Windows negotiate. Then set sign in info, password, certificate, or smart card so authentication matches the server. Make sure to enable Remember My Credentials only on a trusted device to save time. Also verify advanced settings like encryption and proxy. Incorrect choices here. Finally, you connect and verify the tunnel is active. Click the VPN entry and press connect, then confirm your IP or location change to the VPN's network. Once connected, pin the VPN to the taskbar or enable automatic connect for convenience. If it fails, check the usual culprits. Correct credentials, Windows firewall or third-party firewall rules, DNS settings, and the chosen protocol. If needed, run Windows Network Diagnostics. It often identifies blocked ports or misconfigured adapters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.